Now, in this video, we will solve some age-related problems in the ratio. He's saying that the ages of Tanvi and Divya are in the ratio 5:7, which means that these are their present ages, right? 5 years hence means after 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 3:4. Find their present ages. So we will say let their present ages be 5x and 7x, right? So 5x is Divya's age and 5x is Tanvi's age and 7x is Divya's age. That's how it is given. Tanvi and Divya, the ratio is 5:7. 5x is for Tanvi and 7x is for Divya. This is their present ages. Now he's saying 5 years hence, after 5 years. So let's calculate their ages after 5 years. After 5 years, Tanvi's age will be we'll add 5 years to Tanvi's age, and after 5 years Divya's age will be how much? 7x plus 5. Now he's saying their ages will be after 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 3:4. This is their ages after 5 years. So ratio of this 5x plus 5 upon 7x plus 5 is equal to 3/4. Now, in order to get their present ages, we need to get this x. If I get x, I will substitute that here to get the Tanvi's present age and substitute the value of x here to get Divya's age. Okay, let's cross multiply. We got this equation now. We get 5 fours are 20x plus 20 is equal to 35x plus 15. Okay, let's shift this 15 to this side and 20 to this side. We'll get 20 minus 15 is equal to 35x minus 20x. Right? So 20 minus 15 is how much? Oh, sorry. 7 threes are, this will be 21 here. So this will be 21. Sorry. So we get 5 is equal to 21x minus 20 is x. So we got the value of x as 5. So we can calculate Tanvi's present age. Therefore, Tanvi's present age is how much? 5 into 5, which is 25 years. And Divya's present age will be 7 into 5, which is 35 years. Right? One more problem on age. We have 1 year ago, the ratio of A's and B's age was 6:7. Now see, this ratio of their ages is 1 year before, right? So we will say, or we can write let 1 year ago A's age is equal to 6x, and let 1 year ago B's age is equal to 7x. Fine. This is their age 1 year ago. Can we find their present ages? Yes. If we add 1 to their ages, we can get their present ages. So therefore, present age of A is equal to 6x plus 1, and present age of B is equal to 7x plus 1, right? Okay. Now he's saying that 4 years hence, after 4 years, 4 years hence means after 4 years, their ages will be in the ratio 7:8. Now we have their present ages. Can we find their age after 4 years? Yes. How? By adding 5 to their present age. So, therefore, A's age after 4 years will be 6x plus 1 plus 4, which is 6x plus 5. Similarly, B's age after 4 years will be 7x plus 1 plus 4, which is 7x plus 5. Now what happens to their ages after 4 years? They will be in the ratio 7:8. Does that mean 6x plus 5 upon 7x plus 5 will be equal to 7 upon 8? Right? Let's cross multiply. We'll get 48x plus 40 equal to 35x plus 35. 49x plus 35. Right? Okay, let's shift this to this side and this to this side. We'll get 40 minus 35 is equal to 49x minus 48x. So I got 5 is equal to x. I got the value of x. Now he's asking me how old is A. That means I need to find the present age of A. What is the present age of A? This 6x plus 1. So therefore, present age of A is equal to 6x plus 1, which is 6 into 5 plus 1, which is 30 plus 1, which is 31 years. Right? Okay. Now, this one is based on the mixture. He's saying that 68 kilograms of a mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 27:7. Fine. So let's say, let the quantity of milk in the mixture be 27x and let the quantity of water in the mixture be 7x. Right? Now, total quantity is given to us. What does that mean? 27x plus 7x is equal to 68. So this is 34x is equal to 68. So you got x as 2. We got the value of x. Now let's see what he wants us to do. How much more water is to be added to this mixture to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 3:1. Now, unless we don't get the quantity of milk and water separately in this mixture, we cannot find this, right? So let's calculate. Since we got x, we can calculate the quantity of milk and water in the original mixture. So how much will be the quantity of water? Therefore, quantity of say for example milk, we'll calculate the quantity of milk, that is 27 into 2, which is 54 kilograms, and rest is water. You can subtract this from 68 directly, or you can find the quantity of water as 7x also, that is 7 into 2, which is 14 kilograms. Right? Now he's saying how much more water is to be added. Now we have the quantity of milk as 54 kg and the quantity of water as 14 kg. Now how much should we add so that water should we add so that the new ratio between these two mixtures, between these two liquids will become 3:1. So let's say let us add x kilograms of water to this mixture so that 54 upon 14 plus x becomes 3/1. Okay. So let's cross multiply. Now we need to get this x. Okay. So this will be 54 is equal to 42 plus 3x. So 54 minus 42 is equal to 3x. 4 minus 2 is 2 is equal to 3x. So your x is 4 kilograms. When you add 4 kilograms to this mixture, in which we have 54 kilograms of milk and 14 kilograms of water, then the ratio of that mixture will change into ratio 3:1.